Hey guys, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel Inside Organon. Friends, today is an extremely happy day for me because it has been just 1 month कि मैंने channel subscription on किया था and now channel has 20 plus members. I never thought in my life that this day would come. Many of the students after taking channel membership have taken the notes as well and they are extremely satisfied with the notes. So it is really overwhelming for me that not just my subscribers but also my members trust in Inside Organon, believe in Inside Organon and wants Inside Organon to grow. So from my side, I wanted to give you a small shout out kind of video for all my members so that Inside Organon members should feel blessed to be a part of this family. So here are the members. So friends, here are the members whom I am thankful to. Ashok Krish, Amisha M. Rokade, Karan Singh Rajput, Pragati Indulkar, Vidhan Makwana 55, Pawandeep Singh Popali, Priyanka Taur, Ambreen Kamar, Shalini Nigam, Astha Tiwari, Naina Jadhao, Arpita Lute, Naman Shukla, Abhishek Singh, Sneha Lele, Samiksha Bharti, Shefali Kumari, and Shaheen Roshan. Shaheen Roshan was the first member of Inside Organon. So friends, thank you very much from the bottom of my heart that you trusted in Inside Organon and got your handwritten notes after taking the channel subscription. फ्रेंड्स, मैं आप सबको भी सजेस्ट करना चाहती हूँ कि अगर आप हैंड रिटन नोट्स चाहते हैं इनसाइड ऑर्गेनॉन के किसी भी टॉपिक के जो भी मेरे चैनल पे अपलोडेड है, तो आप ज्वाइन बटन पर क्लिक करके चैनल को ज्वाइन कर सकते हो ताकि आप उन नोट्स को अवेल कर पाओ. थैंक यू वेरी मच फ्रॉम बॉटम ऑफ माई हार्ट.